Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Chitariki emirongevere na isano cy'umutinyo motangani mwako yiga bwekiribubere mirongevere n'etano noyomo ejumapili iye umutinyo yiga umotangani umanchi umurigereria no gasemelia kwane ngakwabere ko gotwara oburigereria borobiya kigima imegeta seni gensoko niko yaragire enseyemo yabo nomugoroba sinirobeire oboikiranu elinda kwane kebuna ngokoletranda mangana baya unabere kagwateka kurwa chinsemo Naboigo abasaki baitu babere bakuyasangereria nakwene kebunabere kagotoikera asemesa ya maya mwanchi muliengo kwaligania sigeta seni gensoko tosange na aye guchaka bono iga oika omoelio nyora yonsi naboko yabwatia wetera sensemerie mitandao nsemo ya Facebook naboigo YouTube wetera Ensoko TV liane nkerubo Frida nabaltoko bwatera na soko ene kebuna chibicha Neliogiria kukira sole asenchire ya bene nere Barnaba Sondari bakubwatenere Doreen Kemuntoto skale yango tranyora mangana maya asenchira yoko ya chuta
Bebe nanyo alteba mama bale condition igetengo nyano gukwana aringe usinyukungwanira batia kondigere rituorera chendio kana ngo sabe serikali etokonye chundu bwatikende sahi tokorale mechi Nyombesi
ya matayemo kuro mkuru kwa Ruben koganyo boene maega ye nyomba ya bogotongigwa
ebirero byane no gosorora kwa nentegete ko basorora nkiringa omutinyo yo January uguchikoera nalitokugikirimo na amangana cancer ya cervix eseke gusito goteba cancer
abana inchi koboli gwa kolingoli gwa kenda bu oborero bwa kansa bu morangu bwelirara moli
rusha maya rusha maya tukienda polisi wanawaita
omokonyi bo murai bwenso mokorori gathigashagwa gosaga no asentu ndende ime ya uthaya
Karibu sana mwanchi umurigereria tosange gochaka bono iga goika omoelio kwa chaka maya yebire bigani gotoko ya chaka kurwa somo chio Nairobi asingo kumenyebuna ya mateyemo emenyete asensemo ya mukuru kwa Ruben Samaga chama ya aboma yangu aiga Nairobi nikegendete kulero mwana obo we grade ya kane oyo charuka kurwa lirongo lya gatano na kabereli nyumba yabo maega yo mukagerwa aserieta Ronald Ngoli otabekana koba omwanchi ongina kubeka enyumba yabo omuliro nyina abana abo Roslyn Mokaya no mwana oyo munyaruka bw'imyaka 24 aserieta Joan Mora nigo bagendete kurwanira ubugima bwabo asenye gitari ya Kenyatta maega yo gotigwa ne chingoma chintindi cy'umuliro uyu umukagerwa wegekorekyo nigo abikiru byara emambe ya lero ekero ari gutama wetera umubaga wense ya Kenya nabo igo Tanzania asensemo ya Namanga
Samaria tanguru kwa Everino Woka chino mwisi komone naso yole nyakitari bana sinalengega sinalina chitwakirwe simisa 9 ya botuko tamamu mino ba samberu nyomba nyakitari bairiru ngaimoka ngakira mu mromi ntese ngamote ebu niambie ni nini nende hapo akaniambia hapa ni kubaya but Melia ameruka kwa dirisha ameumia ikabidi nkaimuka hizi saa 9 chale ngasoka ngenda Kenyatta bebe nanyo alitaba mama bale condition getengo nyono gukwana renge usinyukungwanira bati yako ndigere rituorera chendio kana ngo sabe serikali etokonye chundu bwati kende sahi tokurale mechi nyombe siekire ndubwati asitokobera nyono lyo kale skuru to sinyire kumweresa singenjo ndo chenda mwati break na ne skuru na masomo agendreta notora na mumru mintu tokorale mechi nyane gitokori ne shida mama konye nero kotokonye tuwatia stogochi nana bairi korunge ba utwakire simba tutengo chabare bationde tayo twarorire sai bati bali bare around na bako na gocha bati bana siba goche ko be shida chumba ntubwatia stokobera nyentu mwabande tokorara era kongo nyono koragera saa zingine nyone fea kwenda koraba abantu bari nyagitari abere shida na hingo sabone serikali etokonya asa twanyorire tubwati option yende sai konyora tara maswera but arenge hote yabasani nechichirani egento kagenderete but tara maswera konyora
bona ari gusabia serikali noega abuna ntutogo chabuna gusabuna abantu bekiombe ntubwati noena asitogo isaransa chwe nyombe liesiekire tugatebu investigation yegokoru nyombe liamanya koiguru bona noena kero togo chabana be tu abasabirete chichi amate alisi bakwenda Ruben pachi konyoro boraro abana ababande bane oyo munaro le school Sirunga girls ole form 4 ababande batatu bona bana bambabwati noena asibakurara nutaka kubaletera noene chaye guse noena amache banyu asitayora abaletere bona rinde nari usabaga kia serikali tima idinchera kino ene serikali era arorenga abasubati ababale single mothers bono chu kiabeire noe musubati bono noene inwe serikali mumaitenga ki guse mondo ta kunyara kobaigo egune gento buneke giapeniri atua ki serikali goteki noene chinyombe chitumaiteni che president yaito na tunashukuru sana na abaete nyumba muna bone gumusipati ona kanete nyumba ulo mustamant lakini bone kabana umbali wa access nyumba eyu mbamenye tio jabane nali kusabia serikali onye nyumba ndekere empty era aba meanwhile to kendrete kubange merobeli eyu merobeli ya omwana oyore motsali na maumu abunali nyagitali
tangani kwa kera serikali mbya mone sengenjo mumuro yo bwatiru na nari gusaba justice yakorekane musubati oyo nerulenge breadwinner utigira abana mbabwatigase ibarwa bari ko bakikoriya asiba gusikianga bone mbabwati nona asiba kurara no yo mitateba management area affordable house onye mubwatano alternative house mobile sengenjo nyombe ligesiekire kegendete uchunguzi so we are appealing bakonyu una ali asibari nyagitari chipiri cha chire igoro bana bambabwati onde okubakonya nari gusaba serikali ekamin ebakonya bakirie chipiri chiri nabo igona abana bali omwana narole school boni go rase secondary school nyina bono konya tabwati kende bono beire kere mama okaya nona asare ko gando chikolie kibarusi beli onde chiango onyora kende bono mbabwa nari gusaba serikali renjero omwana warakonyu banyora nole ne kwerende pasari asomera ko le school
Roboti rogwichania keima ni ototume ngora yaito yabene guchiasia mateyo yabete kigosiria umwano yomoke na boigo bali bagendete kurwanirira obugima bwa basenye gitari nigo tokubaganiria okugwena kwa bwango gosikabusio gosoa asamangana alingete siasa abarai nigo bagendete gutarira chinsemo na koralia obomo bwikia magia ODM unenchere yamo yogotinya obokoreri bwikia mekyo litkolia lero nige gati abarai bwikia magia ODM inse yoborai bwae Dr. Oburu Oginga amono mugabana bwi county ya Kisii batwara omusangerekano nababwatani bwikia mekyo heli gukwanira chinjira ekia mekyo kiariganitie bosio obobochori bo mwaka wechiri bubere 2025 nebere naboigo gotinya emeli yekia mekyo mulikito weekly forenge na ikera na chinsemecho naboigo gotwariganiria ayakobwatia
na segetigia sameta ensemo yebunge ya babasi county ya Kisii abo asabara ya manaba bwatani aobekia magia ODM batwara hege karokia bane liko kwanera aya itetigwa se omukutano korekaneta se county ya Kilifi gurechi njere kia magia ODM kira chikwe banga kusibe bochore bonene bo mwaka bochirwira 2025 bere
the leaders of Gusii, both Nyamira and Kisii, tunakukaribisha hapa kwetu. Sisi tunapenda chama cha ODM, tunapenda viongozi wetu, na vile ambavyo unaona ndugu yetu Simba Arati ametuweka vizuri. Sisi
kama UDA tumesema kwamba hatutasimamisha candidate wa gavana wetu wa
aso musangarakano yo ni gabarai ao benyorera bagari gukwana abwasa baro birengerero byabo abo asa bange bonsi banyaka bakomo mu senate we county ya Siaya uyu nandoro moraye we kyamekyo ntenenera uginga odinga kogendera kora ekyamekyo.
This party was built very meticulously by my brother. He built it such that it is like a government. It has structures up to the grassroots. We have structures up the polling station. And this is a very strong party, and it is not a tribal party. It is a party for all Kenyans.
In the party and the moving forward. I've seen hyenas scavenging, thinking that the party will go down. It won't. That those ones calling us names, I want to assure you that this party, the party that we have built, the party myself I've known for 18 good years as a leader, it will not go down.
The delegates across the country to keep a bull's eye on the prize, so that when we send our party leader and very able men and women that will be on that table, what they come with for us as ODM party is an A game. Hatutaki ndiri, hatutaki.
Asenkwa na mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simba Arati gasingira bunani gabara ibonsi bekyamekyo obona tukungusiramo na kurusia okuwatana na kukwekwarakanire kobegati yekyamekyo
kubwa Kenya hii, East Africa. Baba chairperson anasema east and north of Limpopo. Mimi nataka niseme hivi, watu wangu wa Kisii, najua kwamba kuna mambo mengi, lakini mkiniona mbele msiwe na wasiwasi. Niko na miaka, mnisikize.
Okobolia niko kwarugwa asabara ibonsi gwetanga kurua asogotume kwa gweti agenda ikomiti okuigwana egati ya UDM moneke magia ODM buneke ni ya siasa chogwetana.
Hiyo kamati wanaendelea kufanya kazi. Hawajaleta ripoti yao, hawajatuambia wamekwama, hawajasema wamepata vizingiti, hawajasema hawana kitu ya kufanya. Tupatie kamati nafasi walete ripoti. Tusije tukachukua kazi ya kamati. Kama mimi nataka kuongea juu ya 10 point agenda leo, iko haja gani ya kamati kukwama? Situwachane na kamati.
Chama cha UDA ilikuwa imetoa, lakini serikali inayotengeneza mbele, kwa sababu mimi nitakuwa kwa hiyo meza. Lazima nitakuwa kwa hiyo meza na nitakondoa macho. Vinoma vibaya sana.
Bono nigera chikobabia ekerekia makia UDM na kirigia ODM birachiko kwana na kueneke buna alionsi akwanire tu asoko igwana uko wekerani gware asenchire ndonge naboigo okoigwana kobe asegatia baraibe kiama ya ODM. Ingo report again Soko TV urasameta ensemo yebunge babasi county ya Kisii Eritariane Wycliffe Orenge.
Mbia mano sana umulikito Wycliffe Orenge asogotwariganiria oroboti rwa senchera yobo ikirano. Oskabosio umuyega bogo chichangira chikanisa cha PAG imeyanyansakia nsemo yebungi ya kichuchu cha Cheno the county ya Kisii ritkolia lero niko muyego yo owaliganiwa no mujumbe Jafeth Nyakundi abarai bagosira eserikali yobomo bakoragwa na Faruk Kibet muwasiri wechisemi Julius Migosio gamba umuchief whip Silvanus Osoro egati yabarai banda bange bagosira eserikali yobomo nigo baikirana umuyegoyo nabo igoko gikelia siasa cyobokabira nabo igo siasa asechisemi una aborokyo kura chinsemo atibagenda chiskuru cha national nigo muwasiri wechisemi Julius Migosi amona barai yabo baira koboko enkwana y'omurai bwense muna aborokiwa begrade ge 10 bonsi bagende chiskuru na korwa ogokurero gotindi gochia ase aborokia bali abarachi goselia aborokiwa nigo barachi gotumwanka na barabo mulikito Pethuel Machini na mange.
Naso Maiga abo gochichangira chikanza cha PH me yabungia kitutu cha North County ya Kisiri chikuria rero me chinsemo cha Nyansakia. Nomaiga origanetiwe n'umuchumbe bwe chinseme cyo muske ya Fetu Nyakundi. Egati bari abanya koba wikanasi chinseme cyo ngamo na Faruk Kibete mwaziri bwe chinseme muske Julius Migos Ugamba. Mabunge bwe bunge South Mogrango muske Silvana Susoro. Mwemerere bwe kaunti ya Kisii na bwigo Nyamira muske Yerusha Momanyi na bwigo Donya Dori Saburi. Egati yabo MP bagusire serikali yobomo.
Mheshimiwa Faruk Kibet, nataka kuambia asanti sana. Mheshimiwa waziri wetu asanti sana. Viongozi wote asanti sana kwa sababu mmeshirikiana na sisi katika kujenga makanisa yetu. Kanisa imetuletea shilingi, kanisa imetuletea 129,000 Kenya shillings.
Okwane kirekyo nigo Migos Ugamba nyakabaga kugikiria annamunabara ibakwamirire serikali ase chinsemo chechisemi ingana ye wokoboko nabara bonsi aseba irokoboko ogosiro wechisemi engona yayo murai bwenzu Moskwira Mruto.
Mtu amesimama mwanaume mwenye yako na akili akasema watoto kama wanatoka Central waende shule Central. Hizi national schools zetu, they are called national for a reason. They belong to the nation. National schools ni nchi mzima. Mtu kama huyo analeta siasa kwa shule, kwa watoto wetu wale wanasoma. Mimi nataka kumwambia hivi, sisi kama serikali hatuwezi kubali mtu yeyote aleta siasa katika mashule zetu na katika education sector na katika maneno ya watoto wetu.
Tukipata shilingi 2 na wengine wapata shilingi 2. Wakisii mnakubaliana namna hiyo? Ndio tukue na equality. Wezi tuambia kwamba tusiende alliance na hiyo shule haijajengwa na nyinyi. Imejengwa na taxpayer, imejengwa na pesa ya hao wazazi wakati wanaenda kununua sukari kila kitu kwa duka.
Asengona yae muske Migos Ugamba niganyakabaga kurugo tindigo cha sabari mwabantu b'ekizukuru abo barachikonya rakaba kwenekinga ngo seri barabanankyo gucenga kerabatabwati school fees.
Watoto wetu lazima wasome zile shule wanaitwa national. Na tumesema through the directive of His Excellency the President kwamba watoto wote wale wanatoka grade 9 kwenda grade 10 waingie shule hata kama wana uniform, hata kama wana school fees. Sisi tutapanga hiyo maneno. Mwalimu yeyote mwenye atarudisha mtoto nyumbani, huyu mtoto akifika nyumbani, mwalimu naye atoka aende nyumbani.
Asense mwende para yabo bono nigo banyako boria bagusiko chichamo na kubwati serikali rabisi erina ritoranya ko bawikirani wa magendero ao.
Ama muna relatives uko nje? Nataka mtuwe watu wa kufikiria. Tusidanganywe. Watu wanazunguka hapa. Yaani abantu bako nyawetana na gage sona. Nsa Kenya sio hapa peke yake. Kenya ni kubwa na watu wako ni wengi.
Jamii ya Omogusi, we are saying it is about time tujitoe katika siasa ya ukabila. Sisi siasa yetu ni siasa tunataka ya maendeleo peke yake. Na hapa Kisii tunakaribisha Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto anytime. Yeye ndio rais wetu, hakuna rais mwingine.
Sasa kwa nini mnatuambia tutoke kwa serikali jameni? Na serikali ndio iko na matunda, iko na kila kitu. Jameni, kama si serikali, Faruka angekuwa hapa.
Sobomo ni gabari ya bonsi barireira yo gochkwene kingamba chikomusira William Ruto asiganga ya yo kurigetamu ya kabere Ripotiria Ensoko TV Kurunyansa kia ebunge kitutu cha North County ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.
Mbia mwana sana mulikito Pethuel Machini asogotwariganiria oroboti uru. Mnenjere yemo yokwerera aliye serikali yobomo yabeire kigwikirania nigo Muske Walter Nyambati oyo tenenerete obwena nibwe chinguru cyomurero aboriria abarai gusira serikali yomurai wense Dr. William Ruto elio konyora magendero okwana nabaliki bamangana imemo cyobosongo nigo Nyambati ene kiribuna serikali erabisi nigo yakinirie amangana yoburimi ase ogokeya ligoriri obwoyo na nigo aboririe abantu kubeka kiseme cy'abana abosyo asensema yende nigaganirie abarai kurase county ya Nyamira kubwatesia serikali nalibaranyole koroseri gwa Chipara echo county ya Nyamira etabekeiri ase budget
waliye toire chigasi ne serikali ngo support tule mangana magenderero asinga ki serikali yero anene sibintu binene serikali yakora mangana agriculture mangana bolemi muna moroche mangana fertilizer yarenge eribu 7 bonege eribu 2,500 kuna ngakia abalemi bwenda konyora eliba ibimeri binyale gukina masawa nyale gukina mangana kisemi mwiguli muna akwanire mangana kisemi muna wana tubwata mu minister of education na wote bwenderete tumo support iliyegere sector education nyako genda abana baito aba bakogenda grade 10 bono muna mwigule president yate aba bonse batakere bagende sukuru atwale fees atwale uniform atwara alipoti sukuru tomya cyaka kudina mangana yo na into abarai bali tororo nigoro yaito kwakikisha buna abana baito bakire sukuru kisemne kigentekanene kisemne kikulaisha na kirakonye kesa kukendi yonse kenyoro kyo mugusi mangana kisemi kutayobeke bosi nabagusi no mate nabangaini tole nigoro yaito ko make sure na baito bakinire bali to iri chigas buna wono ndinye semo ya power electricity nigoro yana na nje wakikishanga kero budget estima ekurwanererwa na nje ko wakikishande ngagusi yanyolire what it deserves na abachumbe baito ndeko batebina njibuna ndari ase ine sector na wabwende kuntumia basiste asokonyora kuira electricity ase chinsemo kyonsi yabusi kiri kitara atwara igomba akira tutagete otebanga no goro opposition oso gorese no nyakoro muchumbe ekyo tukolenga asiamo igo ditukolia lero twacha kurigereria twacha ko kweresa kunanga ki serikali development ya serikali mabasabe serikali bachiraiga kweresa na nkigenderete kitoko konyana ali istuto bwato bokongu bonto bwata mangane Chipara bokongu busi kuna county ya Nyamira etanyora etari in the budget tutabekiri parende yonse wekatora isigente kito make sure na into twanyore Chipara asensemo ya Nyamira asensemo ya Gusii so nigoro yaito balitora serikali bono to support serikali erororo eli na into anyore magenderero negente kenene na kero muntu mu Kenya na rentito na magendero
Umutinyo mutangani bumwaka nechinga kyababwatani bocheno bakwira libagali ogosemia bantu igoro ya cancer yelirara moli gose cervix cancer okwana akora South Mugrango umunyagitari Margaret Busibori Mogaka nigabuli abasubati kwene kyabuna nkolengwa bale kendabu eliwetanga kurwa asokonyora obureiro obu nabo igo konyora obogwenya ase bali ababonyolire
ebirero byane no gosorora kwane ntegete ko basorora nkelinga omotinyo yo January ogochikoera nalitoko gikelimo na amangana cancer ya cervix eseke gusito goteba cancer yo morango welirara moli cancer ya cervix lirara omorango oli welirara mol no cancer ye kobera bone gento kia beire gesale rumono bune nas ego shughulikira abarwaire mona abakungu babwate cancer ya cervix nelinga atogo chatua banyora chinga kichimbe chiaerire kwanyora umongino oyo otwali roborwe myake menge tana kumanya narwarite igongo kuraga iganga na bera atoke nche na yonye nkwana kogenda kulingoligwa onde tayona kugunanga kiende yonsi nyagitari aye nkwana gotebanga ndingoli ncheki ngogoseni nimbwate signs cha cancer ye cervix ko even cancer ye breast ekiagere bintu bigoita byaitira abakungu abange mono na marwaira amange abarwaire bari asechi ward boniga abange na abange babwate cancer ye liraramol cancer ye cervix na cancer yorobere kinko boli abange nambalenga mwalingoli ningende clinic bosaiga mboli mbalenga kwana kolingoli ku cancer yorobere ondo nako kolingoli mongi note bancho ndeta yona gonkuna ondeta yona komboli ekiagera timanye timbo bakiboro ekiagera serikali yaro yabekire mikakati kere nyaketali kere dispensary ere yanga nkolingoli bale cancer ye breast no monyaketali ogokobwata ako check chimbere chao cancer ye cervix na kolingeli atumie machines lakini bona yatoka nga abange na baita abange bakuoboa atagete komanyanga process ki nko iguba ko bolinga nchera kiago chigompima kakia ino monto monene mama naboko nyetwara iga nabera atoke nonye bwate bunole iga bona iga lakini nkwana ko kansa nkurwale kere ekerenyo lire kenda bu mapema abande barwali kubabwena abande barwali kujaba controlled omonto menyo bugima borobya agotebanje ne cancer warrior tubwate mpaka chi support group ebinyoro batebiseti bagotebanje cancer mbwate yorobere nchene yelirara molimbwate nchene ya prostate mbwate abantu bare free bako nakorandia mangana ye kanisa.
Oscar Isco Yorogongo Ruagusi asentundende niko muraibe kiamagia DCP Rigathi Gachagua abwatani baya mana abegeno abawitima esike imiyaudhaya basaganwa amaga yokoruterwa ebirusia marioki chingaki omoroberio bugosasima ogenderete nonyanabo nigo enibe tamanyiri yasaliwa ase chigali chiaya nabo igabange gotigerwa chingoma chintindi okwana omorai oyo korwa asense moyaye ya wamnyoro nigagikeirie egekorekyo nabo igokoerera chintunde serikali yatemire kumurusia obomoyo
narusha maya narusha maya tukienda polisi wanawaita uone nyuma na wacha hizo kaka wacha
Thank you very much for coming, good people from the press. I've called this press briefing after the very violent attack and assassination attempt by government through the Kenya Police Service today in Wetima, Othaya, where we had gone for a church service. And I want to correct that media stations earlier reported that attack by unknown people. It is not unknown. This attack was by the police, and we'll give you the details. Let me give the background to these vicious attacks and assassination attempts to take my life by President William Ruto and his rogue administration. After successfully hounding me out of office through bribery of members of parliament and members of the Senate, the president and his administration has attempted to assassinate me several instances. In November 2024, gangs from the Mungiki sect under police escort attacked me in Limuru viciously and almost killed me. I was saved by the people from the area. Images of those who attacked me have been all over. Since then, nobody has ever been arrested. On December 2024 in Shamata, where I had gone for a Thanksgiving ceremony for the local MCA in Nyandarua, an inspector of police hurled tear gas canister at me to create mayhem and to give room to goons to attack us. Again, members of the public protected us. I reported this incident to the Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kaja, who is my neighbor here. Nothing has ever happened. In April 2025, I got information that William Ruto had instructed the DIG, his tribesman, Mr. Langat, to make sure there is no police presence in Mweki Church, where goons had been organized by Governor Sakaja to come and attack me and kill me within a church. Again, members of the public and my security protected me, and the goons did not achieve what they had come to do. Earlier in February, goons and a police escort attacked Pastor Dorcas, my spouse, in Kamukuji grounds when she was preaching, where there was a crusade. Again, today, nothing has ever been done. In July, when I was in the United States, my team of Senators Joe Nyuto and John Medho of Nyandarua, Victor Monyaka, the former member of parliament for Machakos Town, were attacked by police with live bullets. This matter was reported to IPOA. Again, no action has ever been taken.
Mancho murigereria goskabosio chinga kechio boigo niga bamiriria be serikali bamochirie egekore kyo goturubania omusangirikano asoyo kabero mukonyi bumurai wense Rigathi Gachagua ali gosasima okwana Kalonzo Musyoka niga mochirie serikali aso gotumika chinguru eliko gosereria abamiriria be serikali.
If anything happens to Rigathi Gachagua, William Ruto, you will not have a country. Beginning with yourself. Kwa hivyo nataka nikome hapo. Tafadhali Reverend, tuombee huyu ndugu. Juzi tu tulienda hata kwa nyumba yake wa Munyoro, mke wake ni Reverend Dorcas Gachagua, and we can know what you can imagine what she's going through. And this is not the country we've been wanting to build, and we've tried to build literally brick by brick for democracy, for good governance, to be a respectable nation amongst a community of nations. And now I call on all our international partners to declare William Ruto a pariah head of state.
Korosoro botirwaye Kalonzo Musyoka ni gotoko enyereri bagali goso asomutimo komoke igoto siumya sichituka ke igoto kwirana ntobe to gusanga mange kondo mwanchi muliera ndo chenga jeria kirubo korwa ngumbu manama Barin Kingdom go Ikensoko TV abatebanga so emotional condolences and may the Lord strengthen the family at this difficult moment. Colton Otto agateba following live from Nairobi. Naboigo Charles Luanga agateba special Sunday to all fans in this year. Atangano abwatetie umuroberi yiga gusamangana maya ni amate yaye yonsi. Mbia mono sana sibali mogenda takobwate naboigo mutaralika ujumbe cheno kolende kobaganire mogenda gutwara obuligeria obya Moskale goira ntora sentunda ya kabere tusange amange.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Abanda abange bakure because wese bulimo chiko kumuita.
What a right yokuba bowling anki bakonelyo bulimo.
Paka abandi bakuriga n'emyoro no ikiri nyumba umuntu nsechindo ndoko koro konya okoro repeat bwati gende bwita.
Amakweli yo gwicanya chisege okwego kyo konge no bulebi no kutumia maryogo yo gutindia.
Walenge ya kenywe kya.
Chinko machintindi kubwatekane mebasokano y'ekibara wetrasi chipigipigi. Ogotama na kubura kuro chinka chiabo asemya kemenge.
Bantigireza abana bakagenda. Bakabona bitana goza bakabana bakababanta bana.
Amuno butakobwere. Negative bikorwa bigendere tukubwaterania abasai. Bari bakonya marimo ase chinsemo ao imeyorogongo wagusi.
Gakoni litanga chibese iki ali chiere. Elia kabere na ache naenda arorenga nari gusukia keiga osebese nenkonye. Kwanyora naende oniri elia kabere. Wone kera oniri obulimo lero muna marima akeire. Kwanyora obulimo bwakorereki waelire. Ne kero obulimo bwaelire. Ogimba bono mboye sari. Umuntu ogenda nebisima lende tokunyete oyigore besima osoyima.
Ine ningi kusikiagarire bikoro bunebi kogenderera kuiremeri omurike ito bobo nengia Daniel Omwaga nega iriremeri gotukulia asobweme na gwasyo kinganeye teneni
boya bantu bari grounding aki ine obulimo boiga mbuota mangana dance kugaraiga na bagota binga yayo boiga mbuote bina abantu barwanire mu kiyoga abantu bayitanire
tomo cyago sonche getesini kiao kiabene Gen Soko TV ime yomurobelyo bomugondo bwamakweli bwerere maiso marore no bwichanire bikorwebi En Soko TV oboruso bumugusi. Nabari bechinguru erikwe manyabo wata kuchitana nyechiense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos Kiemesa Yamangana Maya. Eye Nen Soko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Vyakegima mwanchi umulirele na ndengo kuhaligania ase ntunda ya kabere linde tokendea gusanga asobwamo. Egati ya barai nigo baisokire na kugikerio mokonyi bumurai winsomo koro Rigathi Gachagua obatkana nenkwana yaye igoro yomurobelio osha. Okwana umuraibu abanga se Senator Aaron Cheriot na boigo mugabana bwi county ya Kericho Eric Mutai nigo baigerire sha na koenekia buna nige kuikerania obokoreri obya ase Chinyagitari.
Mwisho waje nimwambie yule jamaa ambaye tulifuza neno moja peke yake. Unajua jana mimi nimesikia akiongea ati anatuambia yeye akipata nafasi kuwa naibu wa rais ya kwanza nifundishe sheria. Nimwambie mtu kama wewe ambaye amekuwa impeached hakuna kiti unaweza pata Kenya hii hata chairman ya Cattle Dip sheria hairuhusu wewe kuchaguliwa. Kwa hivyo sababu hiyo ndio yake. Ya pili nimwambie kwamba SHA sisi tulipiga msasa vizuri wakati tulikuja bungeni. Hapa Maemba wakati tunazungumza hii dispensary ya Maemba kupitia mfumo wa SHA tayari kwa sababu wananchi wanakuja hapa na wanapata usaidizi wameshapata milioni 1 as compensation for services ambayo imekuja kwa mwananchi. Wakati NHIF ilikuwa, kuna siku NHIF ilitupa pesa hapa, hakuna siku hata moja. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema we appreciate the progress that is being made in the health sector. Now anybody that is dreaming kwamba they can roll back the gains that have been made out of SHA, out of affordable housing, you are daydreaming and you don't live in the reality of the 21st century. Na unajua mimi nashangaa sana naibu rais. Mimi ndio tupitisha sheria ya SHA na affordable housing kwa bunge. Ule mwenye alitupatia hiyo progress kutoka kwa cabinet ilikuwa Rigathi Gachagua. Sasa mimi nashangaa, ilikuwa mzuri sasa hiyo ulikuwa naibu rais kutoka hiyo unatuambia ni mbaya. Wewe acha kukuchezea.
I want to speak to Rigathi here that as the governor of this county, Maemba dispensary here last week received 1.2 million Kenya shillings. As governors of this county, we are advising Rigathi Gachagua and his team to stop battling lies, to stop battling stories, to stop telling people falsehood that SHA is not working. SHA is working across the county. In fact, as the county government of Kericho, through SHA, we were able to receive 72 million in the last dispatchment. NHIF could not have dispatched that. And that is why His Excellency the President and yourself have steered this country in the right direction. And you know under SHA that ultimately we are going to get to Singapore under the leadership of yourself and that of His Excellency the President.
Omonene baba waziri Musalia Mudavadi nigaikirana sensemo ya KICC iligosanga na begenwa okwana nigamulikira emichando ensi ya Kenya gendete gwetera asichinsemo nigainekebuna kubwatikana no murakera oyenikiwe asige kabono nigagwetania abantu 1 milioni 2.5 bagendete gwetera amakongo kubwatikana no kuburo kwa mache nabo igo endagera nanye nabo nigo chinsi chinde buna Somalia, Tanzania nabo igo Uganda babwate omuchando yo waigo nige kanisa yaboligwa kubasira asekerenga kigokora omuchando yo.
Fellow Kenyans, currently some parts of our country and the region are facing devastating drought occasioned by the shortest rainfall recorded in recent times. An estimated 2.5 million citizens are at risk of severe hunger and water scarcity if the drought persists. The National Drought Management Authority reports that 10 counties, mainly in North and Eastern Kenya, are experiencing drought, with Mandera in the critical alarm phase. Neighboring countries, Somalia, Tanzania, and Uganda, are also facing similar conditions, putting millions at risk. Therefore, as we seek special prayers for those affected by drought, we urge religious organizations to continue supporting the government's humanitarian and food security efforts. Furthermore, I ask for special prayers and goodwill support for our first cohort of senior secondary learners under the competency-based curriculum, CBC, as they adjust to their new learning environment and stage of education. And indeed, this was also flagged by the judiciary. Ongoing conflicts within our region continue to forcefully displace populations, resulting in profound human suffering and worsening humanitarian crisis. In Sudan, over 12 million people have been displaced, with over 9 million internally displaced persons and an estimated 4 million seeking refuge in neighboring countries. Addressing this humanitarian crisis requires coordinated regional and global action, including support from religious groups and the private sector.
Tinga kecho boigo ni gaene kebune kanisa ni gebwenete gusira abakenya asobokoreri boigo ni kanisa yabo uligwa kogorora abakenya na kwene kebuna ngonchereri abale chimbwa ase abantu mudavadi ni gabuli abegenwa na barayibe kanisa gusira abakenya asokorenta obomo omorembe na boigo bochenu.
The preamble of the Kenya Constitution formally acknowledges the supreme of Almighty God of all creation, establishing a moral and spiritual foundation for the state and underscoring the role of faith in fostering national unity and peaceful coexistence. Indeed, in Executive Order Number 1 of 2025 issued by President William Ruto, he designates the office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary as an official bridge of engagement and coordination between the government and religious organizations. Let's briefly, therefore, look at the role of religious organizations in promoting and safeguarding the moral fabric of our society. First, the Church continues to eternally remind us that there are some things that money just cannot buy, like morals, integrity, humility, and compassion. The faith-based organizations serve as our pillars of virtue that sustain social harmony and humanity's moral fabric. We also look to religious organizations to continue enhancing political ethics, hygiene, peace, and tolerance. This administration remains open to constructive criticism and moral guidance from the Church in the national interest. I also wish to encourage religious organizations to enhance the promotion of social values, particularly among the youth, by actively speaking against drug abuse, alcoholism, crime, and violence. As we look closer to home, the Church in Kenya has extended its role beyond spiritual guidance to meaningful contributions in health and education, thereby supporting the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
Wikira umwanchi umurieria no tugwikira umwerio gukumurikira amangana maiya yense ya mubutuko bwa rero kurinde ngo usaba tuskare kiagera ngomera na tuli chinsa isato ilinde ngomanyia yo na yanda mange enda kwegokeria imiroberio aimigeta sini gensoko iliane nkerubo Frida na balto bwatera na soko neke buna chibicanilio giria gwikira sole a senchira ya benenere basondari na boigo Doreen Kemunto twara oburigereria oborobi ya kigima.
Eye Nensoko TV, Uboroso Bumugusi.